Welcome back, my woke friends. I'm Jaron Lukasiewicz, and today we're talking about how to move on from any situation. We'll also have a meditation at the end of this video to help you with that, so keep watching. Moving on is not easy. There are a lot of negative emotions we have to deal with that make it hard, and the situation might be on our mind constantly.
Sometimes I just go nuts like now.
But here's the thing, we always get through it. And the negative things in our lives always blossom into something positive later on.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
So the goal now, which we'll talk about, is to find ways to forgive, to change what we're thinking about, and to be at peace. Now, it's tough, but in order for us to move on, we have to forgive. Forgiveness means giving up the hope that your past could be any different. It's accepting that whatever happened, happened. Not accepting that whatever took place was okay, just that it happened. We're giving up hoping, holding on, wishing that the situation could have been any other way than it actually was. Even if it wasn't the outcome we wanted, the past is done and it can't be any different, and the faster we can accept that, the better. This is the time to feel your sadness so you can get over it and let it go. Cry if you need to. Talk to friends about your feelings. Talk to me in the comments. Eat ice cream. And at the same time, go to the gym and get outside. Definitely get off of YouTube sometime today. No! And if you happen to be getting out of a relationship, listen to breakup music and cut off contact with your ex. And no matter what your situation is, do little things that make you feel good. I recommend face masks and candles. Check the comments, I'll put a link to what I have in my happiness kit. Bottom line, find ways to make yourself feel good, because that'll put you in a mindset for recovery. And that's where meditation comes in. Let's recap real quick. In order to move on, we need to 1, forgive and accept the situation. 2, do little things that make us feel good. And 3, meditate. Now, for those of you who regularly watch my channel, you know that I'm a huge believer in meditation, and it's literally made for situations like this. A core takeaway from it is that we are just an observer of our thoughts, a separate object from them, if that makes sense. All of these thoughts appear outside of our control, and we have the ability to choose which ones we let stick around. So if you're thinking about your situation over and over again, meditation is the key to letting go of your negative thoughts and feelings of depression. You should be practicing it daily, this ability of separating yourself from your thoughts. So to get you started, I want to introduce you to one of my meditations that has helped a lot of people get over depression. Even if you don't have clinical depression, this is going to be really helpful for you. Let's begin by closing our eyes and just begin to breathe and relax. There's nothing else to think about right now. Just place your full, undistracted attention on the breath. Even though our eyes are closed as we sit here, notice that you can still see something.
try to let your mind expand into this space. See if you can feel a connection to the oneness that is everything in this space and the universe. I want you to repeat the following words after me. I'm thankful. I'm thankful to have a life. My focus is on helping people. Something amazing is about to happen. I am back to positive thoughts. For this last part of the meditation, turn your awareness on itself, to the object that is observing. Giving this meditation has been healing. When depression creeps up, return your focus back to open awareness and turn depression into an object. Then let it fade away.
How do you feel? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about meditation. And if you want to go way deeper, I'll put a link to the full meditation you just listened to in the comments as well. All right, remember the 3 things you need to do from here in order to move on are 1, forgive and accept your situation. 2, do little things that make you feel good. And 3, meditate daily. Thanks for joining, and I hope you feel better really soon. Don't forget to subscribe because we're covering topics that will help you build a fulfilling life through Lightworker principles. Learn more about that and our mission to help others on my website. Until next week, take care and get woke.